everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to do a tutorial for this Christmas present gift card holder die set. So this die set is released in the last year. Yeah, I'm sorry that I just did the tutorial today. Sorry for that. Yeah, so this is the die that you will get in the set. So this one is to hold the gift card, and this one is to make the pocket. So you cut this one time, and then here is this one. Just you need to hold your gift card holder here, and then slide it into the pocket. And then also you will get these two strips to make the make it like a Christmas present, so it will look like this. So it's like a present. And then you also get this big bow die that you can put on top of your project as a Christmas present. So these are the dies, and I will put it aside, and then let's start the tutorial. So this is the things that I cut out. So first is to make the pocket. And there are also the stitch lines here, so just fold it. And then there is a flap here, and you fold it here and then glue it on the back side of this piece. So it will look like this. And then you have these strips to put it here. But I'm thinking if I can add a foam here to make it a little stand out. Let's see if this works good. Yeah, let's do it like this. So I cut the 3mm foam to make it more dimensional. Since I just need it this long, so I will trim this off. And then for this part, since you need to take this out, so you need to trim this strip by here. And then add a bow here. So for this bow, I want to add a center. So I'm thinking about, yeah, I'll add this one. I want to add this one as the center. Will this be too puffy if I add foam dots here? I'm not sure how it will look like. Hope it will not. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, so it will look like this. And you can put your gift card inside. And now to send your gift card to your friends and family. So hope this tutorial is helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. So that's all for it today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.